How to add a favicon to your Shopify store. Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add a favicon to your Shopify store. So as you can see, currently in this store there is no favicon. So let's go to add a favicon on this store. First go to your admin panel and then on the left panel here you will see online store. Click on that. After that, on the middle right corner, click on the customize option. Now on the top left corner, go to the setting gear icon. Now expand the logo section, and under the logo you will see a favicon option, favicon image. Just click on select image, and then you can upload your favicon. Just click on add image, or you can select your existing favicon from here. After that, click on done. Now on the top right corner, click on save. Now let's check our store, reload, and here you go. We have successfully added a favicon to our Shopify store. Hope that this video helped you out. If you found this helpful, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.